We have 5 different types of intrusion detection systems. Number 1, NIDS, stand for Network Intrusion Detection System. This will monitor your entire network through one or more touchpoints. To use Network Intrusion Detection System, you generally need to install it on a piece of hardware within your network infrastructure. Once installed, your Network Intrusion Detection System will sample every packet, a collection of data, that passes through it. Network Intrusion Detection System, analyze everything. You could end up missing an intrusion attempt due to information overload. To solve this issue, most Network Intrusion Detection System allow you to create a set of rules that define the type of packets your network intrusion detection system will pick up and store. Rules let you hone in on certain types of traffic, but they also require some knowledge of the Network Intrusion Detection System syntax. They can analyze all inbound and outbound traffic. They detect events in real time, allowing for quick response times. They are more challenging for intruders to detect. They can be strategically placed in critical areas. Network Intrusion Detection System aren't perfect. Potential downsides include hands-on maintenance, because a network intrusion detection system is typically installed on a dedicated piece of hardware. You may need to spend more time manually interacting with it. Low specificity, the more traffic a network intrusion detection system tool analyzes, the more likely it is to lack specificity and miss signs of an intrusion. Number 2, NNIDS stand for Network Node Intrusion Detection System. Network Node Intrusion Detection System is technically a variation of a network intrusion detection system, but since it works differently, we'll consider it a different type of intrusion detection system. Network Node Intrusion Detection System also analyzes the packets that pass through it. However, instead of relying on a central device to monitor all network traffic, the system watches over each node connected to your network. This differentiation comes with several benefits, such as higher speeds, since the amount of traffic each network node intrusion detection system agent analyzes is reduced, the system can work faster. Taking up fewer resources. In the same vein, network node intrusion detection system uses fewer system resources. As such, you can easily install it on your current servers. The main drawback of opting for a network node intrusion detection system is the need for multiple installations. While a network intrusion detection system only requires one device, network node intrusion detection system needs several, one for every server you want to monitor. Additionally, all of these network node intrusion detection system agents need to report to a central dashboard. Number 3. A host intrusion detection system takes the device independence. With a host intrusion detection system, you can install intrusion detection system software on every device connected to your network. Host intrusion detection system work by taking snapshots of their assigned device. By comparing the most recent snapshot to past records, the host intrusion detection system can identify the differences that could indicate an intrusion. Some of the advantages are: they can be installed on computers or servers. They can pinpoint the affected device. They notify administrators if analytical system files were modified or deleted. They are particularly effective against insider threats. Unfortunately, host intrusion detection system solutions can suffer from after-the-fact monitoring, because many host intrusion detection system solutions rely on logs that record intrusions. Your mean time to respond may be slower overall. As such, proper use of an host intrusion detection system requires frequent monitoring. Number 4. Protocol-based intrusion detection system. A protocol-based intrusion detection system is a specific intrusion detection system that monitors the protocol in use. In practice, This system typically analyzes the HTTP or HTTPS protocol stream between your devices and the server. In most cases, a protocol-based intrusion detection system will go at the front end of a server. The system can protect your web server by monitoring inbound and outbound traffic. Because they focus on the protocol, the way devices transmit information within a network, protocol-based intrusion detection system aren't necessarily a comprehensive intrusion detection system solution. However, they can augment an already robust cybersecurity solution. Number 5. Application Protocol-Based Intrusion Detection System. An application protocol-based intrusion detection system is a type of intrusion detection system that specializes in software app security. Typically associated with host-based intrusion detection systems, application protocol-based intrusion detection system monitor the communications that occur between applications and the server. An application protocol-based intrusion detection system is typically installed on groups of servers. As with a protocol-based intrusion detection system, an application protocol-based intrusion detection system is unlikely to solve all of your network monitoring needs. Still, it can complement other types of intrusion detection system.